lifted then because it was on the ground.
Now I can still see the tip of it.
Look on the left side, multi-vortex.
Oh my God!
Multi-vortex.
2 tornadoes on the ground. Oh.
Mark, hold my wheel, please. Just want to make sure.
Okay.
All right, I'm good.
It looks like they're trying to be free.
Might be. Where's our next north route, Mark?
Okay, next north route, we're going to come up to 95 because it's a paved road.
Okay, so Highway 95, how far is it?
We've got
A couple miles?
About a mile.
Mile?
Mile and a half.
All right, it looks like it's starting to rope out maybe or dissipate. There might be another one on the left of it though because it's getting light over there. Yeah, I think there's another one to the left.
Look at the
Oh yeah, power line damage here.
emergency vehicles.
Oh man.
Emergency vehicles.
Tornado on the ground still. Look, still fully condensed. Tornado on the ground.
Nice tornado on the ground. Looks like we got some power pole damage. Emergency vehicles.
There's Daniel Shaw, blocking traffic. Yeah, it's still on the ground, man. Oh wow, beautifully lit tornado. Stovepipe, number 3 for the day. We're so far from it though.
Alright, we've got about a mile right about here.
Okay. Looks like it's gone. Oh no, big one. There's a big one. There's a big one. No, that's the old road. There's a new big one to the left of it.